Welcome to the 5-minute tour of ERP-GOV. ERP-GOV is specifically designed to support government service contractors. ERP-GOV is different from QuickBooks or Deltek in that it has a separate cost ledger. As you create new contracts and tasks, the system automatically creates the cost ledgers to capture the revenue from each individual contract, the direct expenses from each individual task within the contract, and the indirect expenses as they fall into the overhead and G&A pools. The income expense matrix shows the revenue from each contract, 1, 2, 3, 4, the on-site direct labor, travel, material, ODCs, subcontractors from each individual contract. Another valuable management tool is the multi-month income statement. This multi-month view is good for spotting trends or sore-thumbing exceptions. You can then drill down to examine the source of those exceptions. Next is the largest of several indirect rate reports in the base system. This shows all of your indirect rates, current or year-to-date, and their basis. Another tab shows the distribution of your indirects and how the intermediate fringe and facilities pools flow into the overhead and G&A. As an optional module, we also have automated your annual incurred cost submission. All of this is contract driven. So when you set up your tasks, contracts, and labor categories, enter your provisional rates, current funding, the system creates the cost ledgers, and those cost ledgers are then used in the accounts payable and in our integrated web portal. In the web portal, you have announcements, intranet, management reporting, for the manager of the contract or managers of the tasks within a contract, and each employee also has his individual timesheet, and the manager is able to see the status of all of those timesheets. The employee can see his own sick leave and vacation balance. The manager is able to see his own and the employees whose he's reviewing. Optional extras include online expense reporting and purchase requesting. Once the timesheets are in and posted, and the accounts payable are in and posted, the contract cost summary is going to show you what is going to appear on the month for the current invoice. The report also shows open purchase orders if you're using the optional purchasing system. Once everything is in and posted, you're ready to generate your invoice, and you put in your from to period for your billing, hit generate. System goes out and rounds up all the timesheet charges against this contract. So we have $15,000 worth of direct labor and quite a bit of other. So we'll apply that and view the government invoice package. This is a cost plus format for a prime contractor. So here's all the labor, the overheads being applied, travel material ODCs, G&A, and fee holdback. It also gives an optional mini invoice for each task. It has the certification of performance, a cover letter, 1034, 1035, and last but not least, the task forecast, which indicates that at the end of this month, we've used 11% of our funding, 27% of our hours, and here's how much we have left for labor and materials, and here's how this month's invoice compares with the average invoice. There's a lot more to ERP-GOV, but that's all we have time for right now. So if you have needs you'd like to discuss or would like a more complete demo, please call us at 215-579-5710. And thank you very much.